Hi everybody! Today we will be making these adorable bookmarks. Inspired by Gabby's dollhouse characters. They're so cute and it looks like the cat is hanging on the book. I will show you how to make them, so let's get started. You'll need a pencil, a black marker, a ruler, scissors, a glue stick, and hot glue. To make a Pandy bookmark, you will need a picture of Pandy and white paper. You'll find a link to put all the characters in the description box below. First, cut out Pandy's head. Be careful not to cut the whiskers. Use a ruler to measure and trace the rectangle. 1.5 inches wide and 4 inches long. Cut it. This will be the body of our bookmark. Glue Pandy's head on top of the bookmark. Draw 2 legs. And cut them using this folding trick. Snip, snip. Use a black marker to outline the arms and paws. Our Pandy bookmark is done. Insert it into your favorite book. Next, we'll do a Kitty Fairy bookmark. You'll need green paper, light pink paper, a green wire, and 2 white pom-poms. Print a picture of Kitty Fairy and cut out the head. You can cut off the antennas too. Trace and cut a green rectangle. To make the antennas, cut 2 pieces of wire and use a hot glue to attach them to the pom-poms. Glue the pom-poms on top of Kitty Fairy's head. It's so cute! Paste Kitty Fairy's head on top of the rectangle. Draw 2 legs. Cut them and outline them with a black marker. Our Kitty Fairy bookmark is now complete. To make a baby box bookmark, you'll need blue paper, brown paper, a purple pipe cleaner, and colorful sequins. Print a picture of baby box and cut out the head. You can cut off her whiskers. Cut 4 pieces of pipe cleaner and attach them to the back of her head using hot glue. Trace and cut a blue rectangle. Draw and cut 2 legs on the brown paper. Paste baby box head on the bookmark. Paste the legs. Cut and outline down with the black marker. Add some sequins to make it look like her dress. Our baby box bookmark is now complete. She's so cute! Now let's make a DJ Catnip bookmark with white paper, purple paper, pink, blue, and yellow. Print and cut DJ Catnip's head. Trace and cut a rectangle on the white paper. Draw and cut 2 legs on the purple paper. To make the wings along his legs, cut little rectangles of pink, blue, and yellow paper and glue them on the legs. Paste the legs on the red rectangle, leaving some space at the top. Cut them out and outline them with a black marker. Paste DJ Catnip's head on the bookmark, and we're done! Last but not least, let's make a meerkat bookmark. You'll need dark blue paper and light blue paper. Print a picture of meerkat and cut off the head. Trace and cut a rectangle on the dark blue paper. Paste the head on top of the rectangle. Draw and cut two legs on the light blue paper. Cut and outline them with a black marker. Our meerkat bookmark is now complete. What do you think, guys? They are so cute and functional. I hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.